Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I cashed in 3 days straight with this amazing opportunity. I will not tell you the name immediately, but on the first day when I just started doing this, it was on the 6th of March, which I made about $30. On the 7th of March, I made at least $200. And I'm going to show you proof, okay? On the 8th of March, which is right now, today, as I'm filming this video, I made at least $155 in total. Okay, now we'll add all those numbers up together so you can see how much I made 3 days just with this. And obviously, right, we don't know how much I'm gonna make tomorrow and further on. Okay, so this is a simple method. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can do this on your mobile phone, you can do this on your laptop, you can do this wherever you are. It doesn't, with your free time, you can do this with your free time. Okay, so it's very simple. So let me show you. You're gonna go to a website called followfast.com. It's basically simple. All you need to do is like people's videos, dislike people's videos, follow them on Instagram, subscribe to their channel, and that's the simplest thing. Now imagine this, you get paid just to like people's images on Facebook or whatever, right? But it's as simple as that. Now you might ask yourself, but Denzil, I've seen many of these websites just like this and they're not paying me. Well, this opportunity pays you just to like people's things, and it's normal people like you. As you can see, they delivered millions of likes, views, okay, to people around the world. So, and has 3,000 users online right now. So how does it work? You join Follow Fast. It's free, 100% free. You don't have to invest anything. You view pages and you earn points. That points will be converted into money, which can obviously be cashed out into PayPal, which I'll show you later on. Okay, then you can use your points to advertise. You can either take that points and advertise your brand, your page, and you get likes. You will basically get likes to your business. You get likes to your videos, subscribers to your channel. You decide if you want to cash that out into PayPal. There's Bitcoin and there's Perfect Money. I think, yeah, Perfect Money, which is there. Now I'm going to show you proof in my email right now. So we're going to click over here. Proof in my email right now. As you can see, Follow Fast sent me at least $155. Okay, and as you can see, I've got at least from Follow Fast $30, and the other one shows at least $200, which is really cool. This is proof to show you that this opportunity works. But now you have to ask yourself, how am I going to start doing this? You can't just come start liking things on this platform. You need to spend some time on it, and eventually they're gonna start sending you more work. Okay, now how did I end up getting 9,828 points? Well, obviously when you go click over here where it says likes, let's click over there, it will take us to this page. Okay, so these are the points that you're going to get for like. When you click a like, you're going to get 49 points. Now what happens is, I was lucky enough, I got some points, higher amounts of points that people were actually giving just for liking a video or something. I mean, liking Instagram post and stuff like that. So you might find that someone else is giving 200 points just for that. So it's not every day that you get 49 points. And as you go further down, you can see it drops 5 points. I would never click 5 points, but sometimes you get 300, 400, 500, sometimes even 1,000 depending. And I think you should check it out, play around with it, and see how much points you can get. Okay, so once you go to cash out, let's click on cash out. Once you get to cash out, you will notice it shows that currently 9,000 points equals $155. Now you're going to ask yourself, but Denzil, how am I going to get to 9,000 points? Well, like I said, not every day do they have that small numbers. Actually, there's so many people coming on every day, and they want likes or views or whatever they want on their videos. And then if you get something that has over 200 points, your points will rise much faster. Okay, now as you can see, you can cash out with Perfect Money and Bitcoin. Now PayPal is usually here as well. Okay, I cash out with PayPal. That's why I have the proof to show you that this thing is working. Now I don't know why PayPal is not even showing up at this point, but as you go further down, it shows you here the minimum payout is at least over $1, okay, for PayPal, which is here. And then you have Bitcoin, which is over $1, and then you have Perfect Money. Now you can cash out this into your bank account once you have reached over $1, okay. This is a very exciting opportunity. As you can see, it's all that simple. If you are a social media fan and you like watching other people's videos or liking people's posts, then why not come here on Follow Fast and actually make that money. You're not going to make a lot of money, obviously, guys, but you can make, within seconds you can make $1, you know, within days you can make hundreds, you know. It's all up to you. So I would say check out the link in the description, get involved with this. But if you really want to make money, this is the free way that I'm showing you how to make money. If you really want to make money, I have a course coming up, okay. I'm going to show you how I actually make money with YouTube and how you can do the same. That course is going to cost a little, but it's going to be worth it. You don't just want to make some money and sit on a website trying to figure out how to make money, but learn from a guy that actually knows the step-by-step process of how to make money online, okay. So if you want to know how to make money, comment "I want to make money" in the comment section, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically keep that message over there, and I'm going to notify you guys whenever the course is ready, okay. So this is a very powerful opportunity. If you don't know who I am, my name is Denzil. I'm a digital entrepreneur from South Africa, and I show you different ways to make money online. So if you're new to my channel, what you have to do right now is hit that subscribe button. It will notify the YouTube algorithm that this video is the bomb, you know. So you're gonna help me rank in the algorithm, and then drop a comment, okay. Just tell me a little bit about yourself. But I said there's gonna be a comment winner for as soon as I reach 5,000 subscribers. Now the comment winner I'll announce in the next video, okay. Now the comment winner will get a course that I will purchase personally, and then I will email it to that person, okay. Now some of you know I've been doing this in the beginning of this channel, and I'm going to be doing it again. Thank you so much. I'm your #1 fan, Denzil Claassen. I'll see you in the next video.